YouTube, it's your boy TRACKHAWK Rich. We back at it again. I just got a delivery, and you know, in my house. Let me show you my little setup right there. Sorry for the beer and the food. You know, my wife just chefed it up. You know, some little ribs, rice. We're looking at, you know, and crazy. Like, yo, my crib, man. Let me get down here. I got pipes everywhere. Pipes there. YouTube, what's good? It's TRACKHAWK Rich. Fuck, man! Fuck!
What was that?
Oh
shit, that's thick. Babe, why you got him on the floor like that? What's wrong with you?
Fuck this video, man. What's good, YouTube? TRACKHAWK Rich. Yes, I'm back. I'm at home. I had a long day. Basically, I haven't been posting. My apologies. I've been busy. I've been working on my appliance shop. I've been moving, you know. And basically, I just called the mechanic that's gonna do my racing headers. As you can see there, from American Racing. So basically, I'm doing a video, guys. I'm taking out my stock ones and I'm putting racing headers. A little bit more power, a little bit more racing, you know. Cool. All right, my old ones, they were still good, but you know, I have a verbal tune, so that basically is giving it that's giving it too much shots, so it's messing up my pipe. So heads up, guys, if you're gonna do a verbal tune, you will mess up your pipes and you'll have to get new ones because you need more airflows. As you can see, look at these bad boys. Look, dude. And yo, YouTube, I will not lie, they did a very, very beautiful job. Like the way, like, it's a difference between you see people on YouTube and, you know, like showing the video and stuff. They don't go as deep. Like, you know, like, look, I'm gonna show you as deep as I can. See, Brody, you want to see how everything comes out good, because you don't want an error code and then you bring it like, oh look, this is like, come on, bro. I want my car to be going good, you know. Like, look. Everything is perfect, bro. Perfect. And guys, I'm sorry, I'm doing this in my house. This is my living room at the moment. I ain't want to do shit outside. I was like, I already have the boxes inside my house, as you can see. Look, I have boxes everywhere. That's my son's room. I'm chilling. Alright, so basically, I had to lay down. I have more boxes there. Basically, I'm doing a whole change on the TRACKHAWK. I'm changing the belt, the pulley, everything. I send him the list. He's sending me a list back, and he's gonna confirm with me if anything else I need. So, kind of find out, I have these. I don't know what the heck is these for, bro. I have this, dude. See, guys, so it's always good. Cause he, like, see what you got here, you know? Everything's coming good. You have your screws, your nuts, everything. American Racing headers. Keep it real true, I don't know how this will sound, but people were saying this will sound very good. I don't know if it's gonna give me that little I don't know. But if it does, hey, it's gonna give me more airflow, a little faster. Okay, that's good, you know. But let's wait and see. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna have the shots, guys, cause they're gonna do another tune. Remember, guys, always get 2 computers for your TRACKHAWK or Durango or SRT or Hellcat, whatever you have. Get 2 computers too. So one is your stock and one is the one that you can play around with. You do your tunes, you switch them up, do whatever you want to do, right? If something happens, you can always switch to your stock and put it right back. So, you know, nothing goes wrong. I already showed you guys the locks, the little thing that goes, I don't know where that goes. This pipe right here, I don't know how to set this bad boy up. As you can see right here, everything is here. But hey, they're the ones gonna do it. And The people that's doing it is Team Hellcat. They're very good. My first time trying them out, and they'll definitely gonna do my tune and everything, and we'll see how that goes. And I'm gonna do a video of that probably in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Because I have to do more to this damn car, of course. And this is the thing in the middle. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. There's that. I don't know what the heck it is for, but what says it? TRACKHAWK. That's the piece that goes in the middle. And then we have this box. What is this? Excuse the mess, guys. Sorry. YouTube. What's good? TRACKHAWK Rich back again. So the good news and the bad news. Remember, I basically bought everything online myself. I went on YouTube. I did a little bit of research. I see what was good, what was bad, what was good for my car. Remember, guys, a lot of these places that try to scam you, they overcharge you. So it's better you do your own, you know, your own little learning. Okay. So basically, I already showed you the headers that's going under the car. I'm changing the stock ones to this. Everything's there. Oh, I did not show you this. This comes with it too, guys. This. That goes right here. They put like a glue or something here. I saw it on YouTube, so that's pretty good. That's good. I'll put it on. So basically, this is the part I got, the green bill and all the pulley. So the pulley, this pulley is wrong, I got. So if I still want to run 93 on my gas, on my TRACKHAWK, I can run this pulley. This pulley is a little bit, what is it? Look, you see it. This pulley is a little bit more spicy, the guy said. Because if I'm not running E85, it's gonna like mess up my car. This is really for like some, if you want your car to be fast and spicy. But I am gonna make it that fast, so that should be coming in another video. So I'm gonna see what happens. I would have run the E85, guys, but remember, in my area is so little gas station, so that's why I'm a little bit afraid. That's the pulley, guys, and the damn belt is wrong. So basically, I brought a belt thinking that was the one, but it's not, so I don't know what's gonna happen now. So basically, the bill I have here is, let me get nice for you guys. My bad, guys. My bad. Right there. Look. So basically, for that pulley and this belt, it's gonna be too loose, so it's not a go. So what happened is garbage. Not garbage, you know. If someone's in a comment needs a belt, hey, don't worry, guys. Subscribe, like, and share my videos, guys. I'm not the best like the other guys, but just know my TRACKHAWK is ready. And then I have another one here. Alright, guys, so basically, told you the pulley's no good. Pulley's good, but that's, you know, I don't know if I want to run the E85 soon, so I'm still thinking about that, but it's gonna be so much money wasted. And here goes another headache. This is not good either. He said like, this is his worst. These are good, and what do you call it? These are good spark plugs. But if you want to run on a little faster, you'll need better ones. They're not expensive. Like these was like $100 something, and the ones he got was 150. So I'm just gonna buy those. These I'm gonna have in stock. Let me show you how it looks inside. Yo, I never really, you know, like, this is like my first time, bro. Like, you know, so look, you have 4. So look, they give you 4 boxes, right? And it comes with 4 little other boxes inside. Right there. I'm gonna take one out right now. See how they look. Sorry guys, if I'm a little ashy. I'm at home. So look. Why is it so blurry, bro? My bad, man. I had to clean my camera. So basically, this is a spark plug. I opened it up to see. It looks like a little. It's like a little blurry, but yeah, I don't got time for that damn bullshit. So yeah, so basically, I have to get better spark plugs. These are good, but these are not the ones I'm gonna need for how fast I want to go.